For the beginner, I will teach in C programming how to add two number. Okay, then go to Turbo C++. Then the new page will open, and at first we have to write. Include studio.ads, include conio.ads. We have to write this because it will support the program. It is the main function of program which we write, and it supports that. So we have to write. This is the most necessary things in program, and we have to write void main bracket. Now we have to write curly bracket, and we are going to do mathematical problem. So as for the mathematical problem, we can write integer. Integer means not the decimal value, only the fixed value. So we have to write integer a equal to 5 and b equal to 3. B equal to 3, and we have to do addition. And what's the formula of addition? To add the two number, two digit, is a plus b. So we have to write here, we are going to do addition. So we have to write sum semicolon enter sum equal to a plus b, a sum b. Okay, then we have to write gets, because gets hold the screen, it hold the screen, and I will show. Okay, and we have to write printf to print the number. To printf is to display your output result. Printf % means the result. It will show the result. And close curly bracket, and you can run. The sum of two numbers is 8. So you can write like this. So as we have learned how to add two numbers, and you can do in your computer as well. And thank you for the first program in the C programming. Thank you everyone. Maybe you like, if you like this the video, and you don't forget to subscribe and to share with your friend, because they maybe eager to learn C programming. And don't forget to watch next video. In next video we are going to do the subtraction, multiplication and division, all the mathematical terms. So don't forget to watch next video. Thank you.